Imagine yourself, you're a man in India. Consider a situation in which you have been married young and without adequate education or earning potential and end up being harassed by your husband and his family. To make things worse, your parents are not too keen to support you, and the brothers do not want to give you a share of the ancestral property. What will you do? Hello everyone, I am Kaya, and this is about the significant verdict given by the Supreme Court on 20th January, which came on an appeal against the Madras High Court verdict dealt with the property rights of Hindu women and widows under the Hindu Succession Act of 1956. The verdict claimed that the daughters of a male Hindu dying intestate would be entitled to inherit the self-acquired and other properties obtained in the partition by the father and get preference over other collateral members of the family. So, what does this jargon mean? It ruled that the property of a man who had died without executing a will and is survived only by a daughter will devolve upon the daughters and not others such as her father's brother. Earlier, in 2020, the Supreme Court expanded the Hindu women's right to be a joint legal heir and inherit ancestral property on terms equal to male heirs. The Supreme Court referred to ancient texts such as Manusmriti, commentaries by various renowned learned persons, and even judicial pronouncements that have recognized the rights of several female heirs, the wives and the daughters being the foremost of them. The court also said that if a female Hindu dies without executing a will who has no child, then the property inherited by her from her parent would go to the heirs of her parent. For example, if she owns a property that she got from her father and she has no child, then it goes to her brother or her sister. It does not go to her husband. In contrast, the property inherited from her husband or father-in-law would go to the heirs of the husband. If a female Hindu dies, leaving behind her husband or any child, the properties left behind, including the properties she inherited from her parents, would devolve simultaneously upon her husband and her children. So, who does this apply to? It applies to everyone who is not a Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or Jew by religion. Buddhists, Sikhs, Jains, and followers of Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj are also considered Hindus for this law. I hope you liked the content. If you found it helpful, like the video, comment about the content, share it with your friends. For more such content, subscribe to the channel.